to other impeachable officers, Vice President down. At ang proseso ay, anumang order initially will be decided upon by the presiding officer. If a member disagrees, he can stand up, question it, or object to it, pagbobotohan ng plenaryo. Yun yung proseso. Masunod man o hindi yung gusto ng nakararami, yun ang desisyon ng korte. Ngayon, pwede rin desisyon na ng presiding officer kung ayaw niyang magpasya. Sasabihin niya, ayokong magpasya dyan, ibabato ko sa plenaryo. Kayo mag-decide. Kung ano man ang maging resulta nun, yun ang susundin ko bilang presiding officer. Sang-ayon man yan o taliwas sa gusto ng mas nakararami. Yun yung proseso eh. Actually, they had no choice at that time but to follow the majority.
Sir, follow-up.
Yes, please.
Sir, the matter of shifting an impeachment case from the 19th to the 20th Congress, we heard your position,
Yes.
but can that be questioned and clarified with, for example, the Supreme Court?
Of course, they can do that. Pero unahan ko na rin, kung gagawin man nila yan, maliban na lamang kung may temporary restraining order na i-issue ang Korte Suprema kaugnay nito sa transition na ito, magpapatuloy ang trabaho namin, 19th o 20th Congress man yan, at hindi pwedeng gamiting rason dahilan o palusot